Hi guys, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery channel, and we are here on day 13th, which is August 13th today, and we are creating this beautiful blue eyeliner look and added with a bit of sea green in it, something that is very elegant, still bold and different than your usual makeup for office festive look. This doesn't look too traditional, but this look keeps the entire outfit, the sari and everything elegant and makes it look festive. This is a very quick makeup that I have done if you are a woman who doesn't have time and want to do a very quick office look during festive season, then here is a tutorial for you. I have created this look in natural light so that you can understand how the color reflects in real. Without any delay, let's decode this look. So let's begin with our eye makeup. Now for the eyes, because I've not applied anything right now on my face, I'm going with a matte finish lipstick as a base. Just blending it with the fingers. And then using any blush of your choice, now let's go with a bold pigment here, starting with a lighter shade. For this I'm using Jaclyn Hill palette, these shades, using a setting spray onto the brush and going over the sea green, the inner corner, as a liner. Very soft, very gentle. And using a holographic eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. Going with a real strong pigment. And using Imagica color palette, this particular shade, as a base because it's a cream texture. Now we have to pat it up with the powder product. So here we go with this shade here. Now just blending between the two. I'm going over same shade Kajal. For the face, I'm using Mousse. This is from Lakme. And I'm blending it with my fingers. Generally, when I use mousse, I do not use compact, I do not use setting spray. This just is enough. This is a very quick makeup that I can ever do. Now go with the blush. Little bit of contour. Again, it's a powder contour. Going with highlighter to get that glow. The intention is to create more attention to the eyes. Going with mascara. I'm going to enhance the blue a little bit. Let's fill the eyebrow. Keep the eyebrow slightly darker this time. And the lipstick, I'm using Mars, sorry, in the shade 9. This is slightly mauve and it looks amazing. Let's accessorize with bindi. With a tiny one right here in this middle of the eyebrow. If you feel, you can end it up with the setting spray. For this look, I have just gone with a very simple blue earrings. You can pair it up with any earrings that you want, and nothing on the neck, because it's way too simple sari that I'm wearing, like for an office event or any social gathering. So this is a very plain blue that I have. That's it, guys. That's the look that we have created today with a bold blue pigment and just enhanced with a sea green in the middle to create a definition rather than just going for blue, and keeping the makeup very, very light and simple. If you find this tutorial helpful, do share this video to those who are looking for ideas during this festive season. If you're not following my channel, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon to get the notification on every new video. Stay tuned, keep learning, keep updating your makeup skills. Look gorgeous each and every day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.